Yo, it's happening. So I'm just doing another test here. Um, Testing apps, testing this charger that's charging good. I didn't get to fully charge it yesterday. I had it on there, didn't plug it properly. Ended up getting wet this morning coming down here. Got up early, had to dump in the woods, but that doesn't seem to be that much of a problem. Now, if I step on it, I cover it with the toilet paper, then I put dirt and leaves on it, squash it flat, no issue with that. So, that's it. I was gonna wait for the bus, man, and they didn't rain, so I'm walking and 6 minutes away, so I'm a bit wet. That's not that wet, but a bit wet. It started to cool down and shit. Fucking yesterday the sun come up for a few minutes and you burn me. And then go sleep and it's cold towards the morning. So now I'm just gonna stay online, displays videos and music. This is testing apps and that. So that's basically what I've been doing. I've done an Aldi shop last night. I'm gonna be cracking a goon sack later. Get it. That this is the Aldi shop here. That's what I've got. I've got a sack here and that. I'm doing these energy drinks, sugar free. Not sure this one. This one might have sugar in it. Yeah, they're good. It's only the cheap ones. Coles, there are no cheapies in there at the moment. Woolworths. I've got a test up here if you can pick it up from there. Just type that in the App Store. They should have Android test apps coming up soon. The battery is good on the low power mode, the same as the iPhone at the moment. Got this up here. Z. Looks like this. That's what blokes on there, man. So these apps here. So basically that's it, man. I've got a ginger beer to go. The ginger ale mixes. The mixes are good with goon, man. I've got like 4 or 5 pedometers in this now. So if I do 1,000,000 steps, then I'm getting 15, 16 million step pay. And that's not got all the apps in here. It's only like a 125 GB. I would have got 250 GB. But I hasn't got an address, pickup address. Then it's too much trying to figure it out. I just wanted a phone because that Android is broken. I'm sick of shit phones. This crunch really nice. Face ID, fingerprint scanner, everything on it. Even pay. I think you can tap with these ones as well. So for my Chinese fellas, that these are gonna be selling out. Gonna be needing Androids as well. They can't be just iPhones. Chinese only wanna sell iPhones, but the other Chinese are saying that this is premium materials as well. So that's aluminium and glass here. That slightly smaller phone, I probably need the Ultra. The Plus is still can't see it properly. But that's really nice, cheap, really nice, stable. I only tried 2-3 things, but that all stays on there and everything. That these are Qualcomm Snapdragons, I think. The chipset in this, I got a chipset here. Yeah, that's a Snapdragon 8 Gen. That's the chipset in this. I like the Snapdragons. They used to be in this up to 5. That was really stable. But this, what I'm finding out, if you started in the camp, by the time I come here, then it crunch good all day. So that needs like, if it's like a half an hour or something, then it goes good all day. Hasn't been frying up. So that 4.5 minutes starts. That what you do it, what I was doing, I was restarting it before I go to sleep. Miss some hair. The shaver's not that good. Was restarting overnight. But if you start it up, as soon as you get up, restart it, then half an hour later, then it should go, that seems go good. I'm on this, got some data left, say 15 gigs. And then if I'm testing here, and that's on Wi-Fi through iPhone, I'm testing Android, iPhone, and I'm testing a Android, and then the iPhone router. So basically I'm testing, if I'm doing a test on this, then that's testing iPhones as well, man. But I need another phone now, because if I'm testing 2, then I have to use this shit one to play videos. So I need another one. So I need the 3 phone basically, because then you couldn't talk at that. And then, but when I'm doing here, you want to send videos and shit, then you have to reach over it. That for this, if I can do this, not that easy to talk and do this and talk and watch. Bit of a fucking shuffle 3 phones. I'll need 3 going at the time, man, at least. And then even 4, because then he still want me talking on the Facebook. And then I didn't, because here, soon as, see, if you go somewhere else, Safari, then these ads, they don't go, man. See, that doesn't keep playing that ad. When you come back, you have to still finish watching that ad. That the poses on these test tabs, the ads, man. And for my Chinese fellas, I had some payments in Chinese come up. On my test tabs. So this came up. I couldn't translate this at the moment. And also all this. It's collected all that in Chinese. That's on my Bastop game. And that's it, lads. So I'll talk later when I'll crack the goon sack. We'll have a toast.